Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I have a watch me work video for you today. I hope that you enjoy it. You will hear me pop in and out of the video. I'm going to try not to talk too much, and I will see you in a few minutes. So if you hear my puppy huffing and puffing, she will not let me edit right now without me holding her. So she's pretty close to the microphone. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. For some reason, every time I'm on my nail table, she always wants me to hold her. I don't know why. I think it's, she's curious and she wants to see what I'm doing. So time to time, I'll pick her up so she can see exactly what I'm doing. But now that I've done that, every time I do my nails, now she wants me to pick her up, which is hilarious. She's acting like a newborn baby right now. The way that she's sitting, she's kicking. just She's only a few years old, but she still acts like she's, super, super small. It's just so funny. Are you gonna let me record? Alright, let's see if I can do this. She let me put her down, so hopefully I can record. This builder gel that I'm using is from Savulin, and it is by far my favorite builder gel that I have used yet. And this is what I'm using to build up my nails and to make them a little bit more thick so they can last me a little bit longer. You, of course, do not have to use builder gel to build up your nails. I do because I just like my nails a little bit more thick. But just to read a little bit on the back, builder gel is what you will use when you want to create length, thickness, or add strength to your nail. You can apply builder gel to either natural nails for a non-chip overlay or use it with nail tips to create extensions or enhancements. I'm not sure if you're noticing, but the way that I'm holding my file is not very tight, and I'm kind of feathering over my nails. Yes, I sped up the video, but I'm not filing very hard at all. It's just a gentle buff, so you're not going to be aggressive because you really want to be careful with your cuticles. So I'm just creating random lines with builder gel, and I am going over it a second time to make it a little bit thicker. I just wanted to add a little bit of texture to this set. So as I am using the builder gel, I am staying in the same line kind of formation that I did before. I'm not going to kind of divert off of the line that I did. I'm just going to go right over the gel line that I had already made, again to make it a little bit thicker. Really was contemplating on whether I should do my thumb or not. I am going to overlay some gel over the red polish because I do want to make sure that there are no lumps and bumps. So I'm just going to lay some builder gel over the red polish and just make sure to buff it out really nice, just to make sure that there are no lumps, so that when I apply the top coat, there are again no lumps or bumps, and you want your nail to look really flush, and you want your nail to not have, you don't want, I did put intentional lines of gel on 2 of my fingers, but on the red nail polish, I want a smooth nail. I don't want any lumps or bumps. So I like to just add a little bit of builder gel on top of the gel polish and then buff it out just to make sure that there are no bumps. Careful not to file or buff too much. I did think that I didn't put enough gel polish on one of the corners of my nail right here, and I ended up buffing it off, but that's okay because I end up throwing on another layer of red polish and I was able to fix it right up. So no worries, things like that are able to be fixed fairly quickly and easily. So I'm just going to show you right here what I did. Take notice how thin my nails are. I do not have a bunch of builder gel on my nails. They're not super thick. Yes, they are thicker than if you were to just put gel, a base coat gel and a top coat, because I want my nails to be a little bit thicker, because I want them to last a little bit longer. So this is how I do my nails. I'm not a professional. This is, just how I like to do my nails. So I'm just showing you the ways in which I do my nails. Just if you were wondering, I am going to be doing my right hand off camera. I will not have time for both hands today. So I'm just showing you how I am doing my left hand. And of course, I will finish up my right hand off camera.